Hello YouTube. About to do my spring makeup look, family. I've been saying I was probably gonna do this, so I'm gonna attempt. You know, I'm not a makeup guru. I'm a makeup new, so I'm gonna attempt a spring makeup look. These braids are flying all over the place in the back. But anyway, I'm gonna attempt the spring makeup look, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm gonna go from this, from this to this. Oh, didn't work. Let me try it again. Wahala! Come on, work. From this to this. Y'all see that? Ain't that nice? I think I did pretty darn good. What y'all think? Back to that. Use my Dollar General beauty blender thing, not beauty blender, but Dollar General brand, and my Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. That's what I'm putting on. It's Radiance is the color. So I put that on. Then I use my Sephora Matte Perfection Powder Foundation, and the shade is 26 Neutral Sand Sable. That's the shade of this foundation. Came in my Sephora Play Kit. Then I'm using my Stellar Haze is the color of this, and it's a face powder, cosmic face powder. And then I got my Makeup Forever HD, Ultra HD, Invisible Cover Foundation. I'm using that as a contour. Yeah, so you can switch things up. I just tried to switch things up. I'm even using it as a contour, putting it around my nose, around my forehead, around my chin, on my cheeks, and just blending it in with that beauty blender, with the blender, because it's not a beauty blender brand, but I have a beauty blender. Then I'm using the NOMAD, and that is just illuminating highlighting powder. Use that on my eyes, and then I'm going in with this brow power from IT Cosmetics. Using that color, that it's in like a light brown color. The color is Universal Taupe. Using that, that's what I'm doing my eyebrows with, and I'm using my BoxyCharm Purr palette mirror, because the Naked Cosmetics palette that I used for my eyes didn't have a mirror. And the Naked Cosmetics palette I used is holographic highlighter from the holographic highlighter collection. So I'm going back in with the brow power, fixing my brows, and now I'm using my Naked Cosmetics palette, the holographic highlighter collection. And I'm putting the yellow on first, and I put that on most of my eyelid, the top part, and around my eyebrows. And this blended it in, and then I use my Tarte blush, and that blush is in the color FEISTY. I use that on my eyes, and I also used this NYX Ultra Pearl Mania, and that color is Rust. Put that on the bottom part, like my lid, bottom part of my lid, and kind of in the center of my eye. So I just blended it all in with my little Dollar Tree thing, eyeshadow thing, and my beauty blender. And then I put a little bit more of the other colors, like another pink that was in the palette, in the Naked Cosmetics palette. And then I put the liner. My liner that I'm using is SMASHBOX-ALWAYS on gel liner, eyeliner. So I'm putting that on. And then I'm using, for my mascara, is Lancome Excessive Black Noir. That's the and it's called Hypnose Drama Mascara Volume. That's what I use. And then I'm putting the blush on my cheeks, the Tarte blush, blending it in with the blender. And then I'm using my contour lip liner. It was just like a nude color. You'll see, you can't even see it, even though I sped it up. But yeah, and then for my first lip color I put on was Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Ultra Shine Lip Gel by Sephora. Perfect Nude was the color. And then I put this NYX Lip Smacking Fun Colors, and that color is like a Rouge Lover and La Lavers, whatever that means. It's in French or something. I didn't use that setting, that Urban Decay setting thing yet. I use that in the end. I put some of this, some more Stellar underneath here. I thought I needed more underneath my eyes. And then I used Ofra because the other lipsticks that you couldn't really see them. So I used the Ofra to go on top of that. And that lip color is... It didn't have a lip color on it. But it's like a mauve pinkish. It's pink. But it's like a mauve, I guess you would call it. That's what the color was. And I just lined my lips with that. So I'm lining my lips with that color, and then I put a little bit more of the NYX Lip Smacking Fun color on there, the light one. And that's all. Then I had to go back over it because it made it light. Had to go back over it with the Ofra just to have some more pink, just to get these lips right. It took me a while. I was working on the lips to get the right look for my lips that I wanted. I didn't want to mess my lips up. So when I finally I finally got it to look right. But yeah, I had to put a couple of layers or play with it a little bit in the mirror till I got it the lipstick and the gloss to look the way I wanted it to look. So then I finally had it how I wanted it to look, and I had my little final look. Kind of looked, and I showed my eyeshadow showing my final look. So then I went in and I finally used the Urban Decay setting. I used that all-nighter, the makeup setting spray, the Urban Decay all-nighter, and set my face. Why, I don't know, because I'm not going anywhere, but people do it in their videos all the time, so I just figured, hey, I need to do it. But once that starts getting low, I'm not going to be wasting it for the videos. Well, I have other setting sprays, but yeah. I put it on, but I'm not going anywhere. But taking this makeup off and probably going to bed. And then this is the final look. Thank God for my life. Thank God for my health. Thank God for my friends, family, and friends. I'm blind today. I can see tomorrow. I'm poor today. I'll be rich tomorrow. Nobody there knows tomorrow. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Thanks for watching this video. Thumbs it up. I hope you like my spring look. If it's springy enough for you, do you need a little bit more spring? Just let me know. My outfit, of course, this dress came from Poshmark. Show you the dress, and this is the dress. And then I have this little stringy belt that I got when I went to Belgium at, what's that store called? Next something or something. But yeah, that's where I got this little belt. But that's my outfit. Springy outfit with the flowers and stuff. Of course, this necklace is paparazzi. These earrings I got from the hair store. So that's it. Spring is here. It's spring again. Tell everybody that it's spring again. To the birds and the bees and the people above. This is the time to fall in love. Anyway. Hope you like this. Get into these eyebrows, y'all. I did it. I'm getting better at them. Let me move this so you can get into these eyebrows. I never thought I would get better at these eyebrows, but I'm doing it. Thumbs up this video so I can get likes and get more views. Subscribe if you haven't. Let me figure it out. This hand right there, you see that red? Look, click it. Click, click, click. And share the video and comment down below. I comment back. I hope you like this makeup look. I think I'm getting better with the eyebrows, huh? If you look at my old makeup tutorials, I'm getting a little better with these eyebrows, y'all. I think, in my opinion. You all may have a different opinion, but hey, I'm an amateur, y'all. But bye, Team Random. Be blessed and be a blessing. And enjoy this spring 2018. Bye. See you next time.
tomorrow. Nobody there knows tomorrow.